Hey, there you go. Hey. Yeah. I want to show you what it looks like. Let's go for it. Ah, it's really scary when it catches grip. Oh, it also makes me very, very dizzy. Oh, ho ho! I can't see straight. Coolie marks. I think the smoother I go, it's because when I hit power valve it just takes off. And then it gets quite scary. So, I need to kind of keep it very smooth. Smooth enough where it actually has power. It also helps to, like, the lower you go, once it just doesn't take off like that. Haha. Ugh. It's not dragging there with this foot. It's when it starts going wide. Oh god, it's quite fun. Oh, it's just very hard to kind of keep the power up. And this is the 57, so probably need lower gearing, I don't know. Maybe not. Oh god. Whoa, that starts getting violent. A lot of it is clutch control as well, because I'm letting it out as it's going around, because obviously when you're bent over like that it's very difficult to kind of control your clutch, your leg, your balance, the lean angle. I could try with slippier tarmac, because I know there's definitely slippier stuff around. Is that a Johnny? Fuck. Ugh. I'm gonna go over that. Hey, there you go. Oh god. It is very, very draining. Takes a lot of energy out of your hands. God, it really takes digging in your foot. Oh my god, it's funny. It would obviously be really cooler if I could do it without putting my foot down. I used to be able to do it on the DRZ, but I have a feeling it's going to be a lot harder on this because there's not a lot of power to keep it going. I had one or two good ones though, in fairness.